Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about how we can create a message ad campaign in the LinkedIn Ads account. Message ads are going to be another ad formats where we can send out messages to our targeted audience, giving them information about our business, our products and services, and hopefully get some responses on that. And with the help of it, we can try to drive some sales or lead generation. So let's see how we can build out this campaign. So for creating this again, we can create a new campaign altogether. And this time we can use the campaign objective to be website visits. And this will be a classic campaign which we can create. We can name it in that manner, message ad. We can start filling in all the other details like location targeting, and then we can also give the audience targeting here. Once you have done the audience targeting, then we can select the ad type, which is going to be message ad, which is this one, deliver ads to your target audience inbox. And then we can see the placements are already selected. We can give our budget, daily budget for it, and we can schedule the campaign as well as per our requirement. You can see the optimization goal over here is sends, which means it's going to optimize for sending as many messages as possible to the target audience. And the bidding strategy is maximum delivery, which is an automated bidding strategy, which does the same, which will focus on the same objective. So once you have all this information filled in, then we can save this and move to the next segment, which is going to be creating our new ad. So here we can name it as, let's say, message ad. We can add senders over here. So from here, you can add the sender. In this manner. And then we can define the message. So this is where we can give the message, okay? And then you can write the message. In the message, you can go ahead and define your business. You can introduce yourself, define your business, ask people for more information, provide all the information regarding your products and services, and then you can send out the message. Also, one more thing which you can do here is you can customize the message by the sender's first name, last name, by using the format given over here in this particular manner. So let's say we can do it in this particular fashion. And then you can start writing your message. Like this, we can write our whole message. And then if you want to add any custom footer or terms and conditions, you can do that as well. We can also give a call to action. And we can give our LinkedIn landing page URL. We also get an option for adding a banner image or a image ad, basically image which we can add over here. Once you do so, then we can create the whole message ad for the user. So this is the ad which we have created now, which now will be targeted to all the users on LinkedIn based on the audience targeting, location targeting we have done. You can review the whole campaign right here. If you want to make any changes, we can edit that as well. Otherwise, you can launch this campaign. Once the campaign gets launched, it will automatically go under review, where LinkedIn is going to check our campaign, our ads, and then once the ad is approved by LinkedIn, then the campaign can go live. So this is the message ad campaign, guys, which we have created now. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand the whole process now. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.